you are living in, you know, the Swarga. You know the Swarga? Heaven.
Yeah, heaven, yeah.
You are in the heaven. Swarga. Thana Lakshmi madam,
Yes, sir.
Swarga. That is, you
Yeah.
correct in your language. Heaven, heaven, heaven.
Uh,
So,
Sorkamena.
and moreover,
Swargam we say.
yeah, that great. And moreover, you know, Dhana Lakshmi, so both are, you know, the same meaning. Dhana also, that is the wealth.
Money, yeah.
Yes. So that makes a sense, really. So it's very wonderful. Great. And we have a new joinee, Mohit Panta. He's a graphologist, and you come up with your face if possible. Mohit, yeah. So he's a wonderful guy from Bombay, and from the yeah, and he's the very famous graphologist in India, and he's very famous. Great. And now he is going to be part of our team. Okay, for today he'll understand everything. Now the topic will start. Before we move, I just want to ask you questions from Sagaja. Please tell if you have.
In 5 for 10 minutes,
Sorry. Yeah.
Fatima will join. Fatima will join.
Okay.
5 for 10.
Okay. She's going to just join. No. Okay. No problem. In the meantime, I would like to ask few questions from Sagaja, if you have, or whatever you want, whatever you feel to express your knowledge, your experience over here. So that will be great. So you are from Canada, and you tell your experience. You can share. You give your introduction to this new joining. So that will also that great, and how you are feeling in our session, how you feel the teaching and experience over here, everything. Then she will join. Okay.
Yeah, my name is Sahaja. We live in Woodbridge. It's like close to Toronto in Canada. And what else? We have 2 kids, and everything going great with grace of God, you know, doing well. But this pandemic still, you know, doing high and all. Lockdowning happening today is the lockdown other 2 cities for 1 month. But everything is going great other than that. Then yeah, this topic is, you know, it's not how what we study, but if we apply those things, whatever we study, it will work. Sometimes we study, and then if we don't apply, not the point of studying, or but for sure, like, no, this is not this sir only teaching. Like, there is people in the back in, you know, like hundreds of years back, they wrote the books and all. So that's so it's not like he is teaching, but it'll happen. You know, if you think if you wanted to be successful in life, whatever the Guruji is teaching, if we apply, we will, you know, go places, I can say. So I really want to apply for, you know, yeah, all the study what we studied all through these days. We apply, yes, in every aspect of our life, like money wise or health wise, peace of mind wise. If we apply, we will get that, no matter what. But the thing is, we have to apply like blind, with a blind faith. Sometimes it don't happen right away, but it'll happen soon when we are doing it. Keep doing it. Yes, sir.
Well, that's great. I really appreciating your views and your opinion on the class going on, and that's great. Now, if anyone, if anything you want to express, Mohit, you can express here, or let me suggest to start, or I'll start. as you wish. Mohit, you can introduce yourself here for
Yeah,
second.
I'm a graphologist. From last 5 years, I'm practicing graphology. I'd worked for the various companies like L&T Infotech, like HDFC banks, and like various corporates and one-to-one sessions also I'd done, and many coachings also I'd done in graphology. From one of the group, I just came to know with about NLP, the service giving at a very affordable cost. So I'm interested into, because I'm into life coaching from last many years. So I just like to do his course. So I just contact him. Maybe 3 to 4 months back, I was busy with something. So he was connected us at this
Okay,
time also, and I just started with the course.
great. Good luck, Mohit. I hope that you are going to be one of the, the wonderful coach in corporate sectors across the world, not only in India. I hope all my student participants, they do some wonderful things. Like
Yes,
teaching and coaching has become the one industry, the profession which enlighten every guy's knowledge, skills, and everything. And that is good part of as our contribution to the society as well. So that's great. Okay, what is the today's topic, Sagaja? Next, where were we? I'm just sharing the book. Okay, so that
We finished anchoring, sir.
okay, great. Anchoring, Vicky. Okay,
Ah,
okay. So we did anchoring, and anchoring. I hope you all guys must have understood clearly anchoring.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that was the very good topic of dog. That dog every time it starts salivating when there is a ring is rung, immediately when untied, and then rush towards his like that place where the feeding is provided over there, and then it starts salivating. So that is anchored. That bell is basically triggered, or that anchored. That sound is anchored into that. Okay. Okay. Now the new topic we are here already, anchoring.
Chapter 12, meta programs.
Okay, meta program, very wonderful topic, meta program. See, what is the meaning of meta? Meta means hidden. Meta means hidden. Okay, very simple language you understand. Fatima madam is here. Okay,
Yes,
did
sir.
not.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. So I did not listen your voice. So now it's okay.
No, I came little late, 5 minutes late.
No problem. But once I hear your voice, means everything is now okay. Okay, fine. So now our topic is this one, anchoring done, and moreover, whenever you go through any topic, you try to explore more and more knowledge into that. Okay. See, what is meta programs? Have you ever observed a kid, stubborn any person? Anyone can be stubborn in his behavior or in relationship. You might have felt sometime, observe that here I'm doing these things to this guy, but this guy is not understanding anything else. Have you observed this type of behavior out of, even from your parents, even from your brother, cousin, and your close relative, or even from your kids itself? Have you observed such type of things like stubborn behavior or something which is not, which is not pleasant in your point of view, but still they are with that person, or even with you? Have you ever observed when you there are some persons who worked without being guided by anyone, and one person has to be guided again and again, even then that person is not going ahead. So such type of things is there. Okay. So now meta program is basically that is into our DNA, in our subconscious mind. Meta program is imprinted, or you can say that is established in our subconscious mind, that is carried from our parental also. Hereditary, maybe it is hereditary. It may be carried through our DNA. Understood? Understood? That
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now in NLP, neuro-linguistic programs are the key to the way you process information. Meta model, NLP meta programs are basically the keys, right, according to which you form your internal representation and direct your behavior. Okay. So Mohit, you watch first video.
Yeah.
There was a term that internal representation. Okay. And see the position when you attend the class, the position should be like this. Your spine should be straight. Clearly, there is a region. Region is, here is a pituitary gland, and that is your spine. Spine is connected to the pituitary gland, and there is a receptors both sides. And these receptors receive the information, whatever I teach, only if it is erected, only if your spine is okay. Take one example. Have you ever observed when someone tells you some very favorite things, very interesting thing, then you say, "Oh, what? What? See, have you done these things, this action?"
Yes, sir.
If why? Because when you are in this mood, and if there is something interesting, then you erect it to connect your pituitary gland, and then immediately what happens? You receive it properly. It is very easy example I told you. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Now the internal representation is done in the subconscious mind, and here are 7 meta programs, the main meta program. Actually, when you go through the book and net and Google, a number of meta programs are there, but you should understand these 7. 7 is the most popular and most common. If you understand these 7, it is sufficient for you. Okay, understood? Now one is meta programs, is you understood, it is basically related to behavior, internal representation of the information, and that information produces the behavior. That's all. It is related to behavior only. Now there are 7, main 7: towards, toward and away, external and internal frame of reference, sorting by self or sorting by others, matcher or mismatcher, convincer strategy and possibility versus necessity, and independent, cooperative, proximity, and working style. Now we'll study it in detail. What is it? It is very easy, and don't whenever I teach, you feel that everything is very easy, and you make your point that you are learning very easy things over here, very easy, not a problem at all. Okay, yes or no? Whenever you read anything, you make it easy in your mind first. You condition your mind that whatever you are going to study, that is easy. Understood? Yes or no? Why we do so? Why do we so? Because when you make it easy in your mind, then it becomes easy actually easy. So that's why we always make every point easy way. That is the point. Okay. So don't worry. See, now the two words and away. As the word suggests, two words means towards something, and something may be behavior. Something may be, because it is talking towards the behavior only. You have to understand, you have to keep in your brain that it is talking about the behavior. Now, towards, you can use this lens for understanding whether somebody derives from pain or gain. You can also use this for looking at yourself. Do you find that you move towards pleasure or away from pain? Okay. Now, what is it? If there is pain, of course, you will be away from that behavior. If there is gain, then definitely you will go towards that behavior. Yes or no? Pain or gain. If pain is there, then you away. If gain is there, then you are towards. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You use this lens for understanding whether somebody derives from pain or gain. Means there is a driving factors, force in our brain. Our brain goes to that point when we have the gain, and we go away when we have the pain. Suppose if someone behavior is not good, okay, then what will happen? You will go to that guy or not? Not
Away.
away. If that behavior, if that person's behavior is good, then you will get attracted and you will move towards that. Okay. Same with our behavior. Okay. Now, external or internal frame of reference. Simple example I'm giving you. If you ever give a compliment, it seems like someone does not believe you. It might be because they are using an internal frame or more stock in how you rate your performance or do or look forward to get it. Very simple example I'm giving you. You appoint a guy in your office, okay, and you just set a target. Fatima left or she is there? Okay, she is
Is
there.
there.
Okay. Fatima ji, aapko, Fatima madam, are you understanding?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. See, you appoint a person in your office and you just say, you set a target. You have to sell 5 product a daily. That person starts selling 10 products. 10 products. Though you have fixed only target, that is
5.
5, but he's selling 10. Why? Because he has motivation from himself, from inside. That is internal frame of reference. Means self-motivated. Means self-motivated. And if he sells that product by saying, or when you command to sell, and when you don't command, he never sell, then that person is externally motivated. Understood? When the motivation to do something comes from some person, that is external frame of reference. Or if that motivation comes through your own perception, through your own self, then it is internal frame of reference. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
So which person is good, bad? Mohit, tell. Mohit.
Internal is good.
Yes. And it is very good for whenever you recruitment agency and HR. For HR people, this is very, very good meta program. They must use it, and they are using it. Understood it or not? Mohit, tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm getting.
Understood it or not?
Yeah, I understood it.
Great. So
In the internal reference, if we have confidence from inner side, we can sell. That sometimes we have to sell like bigger products, 2 to 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs.
yeah.
So
This is not about the confidence. It is about the motivation. You change the word. You replace the confidence with the motivation. It is motivation. Okay.
yeah, internal motivation is must.
Yes. Okay. Now sorting by self or sorting by others. In case you do first think about what is in it for you, and or you think what about it is in for others. So whenever you have the behavior, when you sort it by self, sometimes you, in case you do first think about what is it in for you, means is there something for me, only then you decide to have this behavior, or we have to this concept whatever. If you think that this is for others, if you grab anything thinking that what do you think about what is in it for others, so you have to, when you decide what is it in for others, then it is sorting by others or sorting by self. Understood? I think when you are sorting anything by yourself, then if something is for you in it, then it is self sorting. And if you believe that something it is in it for others, then it is sorting by others. Understood it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Matcher or mismatcher. If you ever find someone that you always seems to have to disagree with you, now you know why. So you may be a behavior matcher or mismatcher. Means you may agree with someone or you may not agree with someone. So that type of meta program you may be having in your subconscious mind, matcher or mismatcher. If you ever find someone that always seems to disagree with you, now you know why. Have you ever observed whenever you talk something about anything in front of someone, so that person always disagree with you, always, whether it is good, whether it is bad. Why? Because that personality is equipped with mismatcher personality. That person is mismatcher. Now you can understand there is a mismatcher personality in his DNA, in his behavior. He that meta program of mismatcher he carried from his past
Like
life, parents, or you can say since childhood, or you can say through his environment and whatever it is. Understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Mohit, yes or no?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Now there is a convincer strategy. It is very easy, convincing others. Whenever you have the etiquette or you have the personality of convincing others all the time. Okay, so meta program involves what takes to convince someone of something. So in that case, if you have the good convincer strategy, so if you have the meta program, because that meta program is developed by the salespersons. Okay, salesperson, because salesperson are so having the good convincer strategy to so you have to also develop. Okay, meta program. Understood? Now this is the possibility versus necessity. See, you might know some person that are minimalists, or you might be a minimalist yourself and focus on just what you need. On the other side, you might be a seeker and always looking to expand your opportunities and possibilities. There are two types of persons. When suppose one person, when there is nil bank account. When there is a zero bank account in his pocket, then he starts working hard. When there is a lot of money in his bank balance, he never works hard. Why? Why? Because of this meta program. Because the necessity, push him up to work because there is nothing to eat now. So if someone does any work, doesn't mean that he is good one. Maybe there is a meta program that necessity. When there is a necessity, only then that person works. If there is no, then no. And other side, if a person is equipped with all amenities, everything at home, everywhere, even then he's exploring new and new ideas, opportunities, and keep earning, learning, everything doing. So that person is basically, he's exploring the possibility in all everywhere. Understood? Now you can clearly understand the meta programs. Have you ever observed a kid is weeping and immediately, okay, one example I'm giving. Oh no. Okay. That is, so this is the possibility. Okay, that is different one. Already I told you. So now, independent, cooperative, and proximity working styles. Okay. What is it? By understanding this pattern, you can figure out whether your most enjoyable work environment would be. So this is basically the meta programs which make you independent, which make you cooperative, proximity, working style. It's you are a cooperative type of person. So such type of meta programs are there. Sometimes with someone who is independent and do something on their own just to enjoy their work. Okay, understood it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes or no? So this is additional consideration following. You can read it. You understood now everything. No need to go again and again. These are the examples you can go through. And here are key point takeaway. A key point takeaway, use meta program to understand yourself, others. You can now understand yourself. Sometimes remember that person use a blend of meta programs, change your own limiting meta programs. Okay, so now you can understand and you can, you can also check your meta program, which type of you are. Can you now you find out yourself, like what is your meta programs, what are the meta programs in you? You can find out now. Yes or no?
But it's possible to have all of those in one person too, right, sir?
Sorry?
Like some, like 1 to 7, it's not like everything we are, that whatever it says, maybe in one thing, let's say toward and away is a pain and gain, maybe it's, and everybody is the same. External and mental frame,
Yeah,
like,
somebody may have external thoughts, somebody may have internal motivation.
yeah.
Yeah. Differ. That is differ. Everyone is unique. Okay. So no need to have all those, but you just recognize if some person is not agreeing every time, then you can say, yeah, this person is mismatcher type of meta program is in his mind. No, you will feel happy because you know, oh,
He has the
it's a
gene.
meta program. That's why he is so. That's why he's so. Then you will not feel any problem because you understood the meta program of that person. Then you can condition your mind accordingly. When you feel unhappy, when you are not aware about the meta program, if your meta program is that, oh, this person is possibility or necessity, it doesn't work. So he doesn't, oh, you feel everything is like bank balance is okay, that's why it's not working. And sometimes you feel that some person is rich, even then he's working day and night. You can understand about the meta program between the two. So don't worry for anything. Even for kids, if your kid is doing something on his own, okay, and if you give some gift, only then he starts studying. Then there is an external frame of reference that is influenced by something. Understood or not?
Yes, yes.
So that doesn't work for longer period. If that can be developed, don't worry, that can be developed by your counseling, by your perceptual position, by your own behavior. That can be changed. That can be reprogrammed. That's why there is a neurons are there that has to be reconditioned. Okay, and everything. Okay. So now I think you go through these topics and you can ask in some sort of questions. Not a problem at all. And the next topic is that is reframing. So reframing, you like to study today or next? What that would be better?
Next class.
Next better, okay. Next better, because that will mix up, no? Mix up. So okay, and you start, you start judging people and extracting their meta program, even with your kids, with yourself, with your persons, with anyone. You can start, checking the meta programs installed in his subconscious mind. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, then I think it is okay. And if any questions, you can put here in front of Mohit, Mr. Mohit,
Yes, sir.
if you have any questions regarding meta programs, because it is the topic of, master trainer. This topic is very crucial topic. No one understands easily these topics.
Yes, sir.
Because why? Because they refer to Google. They go into depth. Whenever they go into depth, they are always in the depth. They never come up, and they get lost in that. Very simple. 7 is enough. 7 is enough. Not problem. Okay.
I need to refer it one more time, and then if I have any kind of question, definitely I'll ask you, because new topic for me. It will take some time for me to understand this thing. What is
Okay. No problem. No problem. That's great.
coming from the DNA, it's coming from the parental. That's I came to know, because even in graphologist we are telling that 0 to 7 years only that framing will come in the writing. That frame kind of formations will come in the writing. Concept I'm knowing it, but understanding in a deeper way, I need to go through the concept, and after that I can ask you.
That's great. Okay, then I think we should wind up over here. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Raja,
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
do you allow me to wind up the class now?
No, no.
Alright.
Yes. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, that's great. If
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
good.
you. It was
Good
nice
night.
session. Thank you.
Okay, good
Thank
night all. Yeah,
Good night, sir.
Good night, everyone.
good night everyone. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.